galvanized undercoat, so everything's kind of reinforced, everything like that, and that's, again, lifetime warranty. I think from a home to completely locking up, not working with something we can fix warranty, I'll get you into a new one. So.
What do you recommend for a living room to push these blades, like something like that?
Yeah, you have to do this. So like a lot of the motors I showed you guys, so a lot of those we couldn't even put because those blades are so heavy. You have to pick one of our bigger motors. So it'd either be the Rain Dance, any of these right here, or our Riviera motor, which is up front, which generally has all about the same colors as here. But I would recommend either the Rain Dance or Riviera motor for that blade right there.
Okay, where's the Riviera motor?
Riviera's gonna be the one right up here.
So is it a matter of just a different motor, or is there a different look to it as well?
So the Rain Dance is traditionally our a very popular outdoor motor. It's a wet rated fan, so you can really hose it down with. I like it for indoors just because of that real sleek undertone to it, and if it lasts real long outdoors, it's gonna last just nice indoors. And I just really like the look of it. Other than that, they move about the same amount of air. You get a little bit more with the Rain Dance. The Riviera also has a lifetime warranty. That's gonna be all of these guys right here. And brushed nickel, the Riviera doesn't come in. The closest thing we have is a satin steel. But I have also seen people do that. It's just a little bit, I wouldn't say duller of a gray, but it's more of that satin color like the brushed nickel. Yeah, and that's why I like it, because it's that real kind of sleek underbody to it. I don't like the real holy stuff on it. It just has a real sleek the Rain Dance does. So. We could do one of those flat LEDs we could put on the bottom of it. One that's on there, you guys liked, and we're okay with that. We can do, or we could do the one that's a little bit smaller that fits, is about the same size as this cup right here, so it doesn't look quite as non-symmetrical or like it's kind of flaring out or anything like that. And both of those have the color temperature change. Like I showed you on this one, we can go from like the 2700 all the way to the white light, and all three of those things are different color codes. So.
How do you do that? You do that in the store, or you just
So we have the blades separate, we have the motor package separate, and then we have the light kit package separate, and then when you install it, you just kind of bring everything together, everything is universal, matches everything, so.
Well, yeah, the fan and then the light. What do you recommend on that light for like flush mount?
So for the flush mount lights, let me grab a brochure, I'll show you guys real quick. So.
It's where it's like
So, everything like this light, this is the one that was on the Rain Dance that we're looking at in the back. If you don't mind that kind of coming down and kind of flaring out look, that will give you more light. This one's a little bit more uniform, matches that little bottom cut part, and that's